Hi friends, in this video I am going to show to you how to uninstall an application from Windows OS. Here just type Windows R, there you can open control, just click on OK. It will open the control panel. There you can click on programs, then programs and features. There whatever the application which you want to uninstall, just click on it, right click, uninstall. If you got any pop-up, just click on yes, then just again click on yes, and it will start uninstalling an application, and further you will get further notification. You just need to click again yes, then the application will be totally uninstalled from your OS. And finally, the Lenovo system update was successfully removed from your computer. Click on OK. If you want to get any other alternative way, just type Windows or same appwiz.cpl. This is also the command which is used to open the same content. Again, you will be redirected to programs and features. There you can uninstall any kind of application which you had already installed on your laptop. Okay, thank you.